If your business needs constant customer to survive, you don't have a marketing problem. You have an LTV to CAC problem. Hi, I'm Shweta and this is Math Behind Marketing. See, CAC tells you what it costs to acquire one customer, but that number means nothing unless you compare it to how much revenue that customer brings back over time. Because if the value per customer doesn't exceed the cost to acquire them, your growth model is fundamentally wrong or unstable, we can see this. And this is where the LTV CAC matters. A healthy business aims for a ratio of 3:1, which means for every 1 rupee spent to acquire a customer, you generate 3 rupees back over the period of time. And as the ratio drifts below 2:1, you lose the pricing power, margin compress, and scaling becomes harder because you're paying too much upfront for too little long-term returns. For example, if your CAC is 500 and your LTV is 1500, your ratio is 3:1, which means the model compounds well. But if LTV falls or CAC rises, the ratio collapses, and collapse shows up immediately in retention, payback period, and cash flow stress. So the real question isn't how cheaply you acquire customer, it's how much value you extract after you acquire them. Because in growth, CAC is the cost of entry, but the LTV's capacity to stay in the game. If you found this video insightful or helpful, don't forget to share this with your marketing friends and save for your further campaigns.